So this event and the conference that has been conducted by HITEX on the implementation of the AI in the industries brings a lot of insights to the young entrepreneurs and the existing industries to make use of the AI and get the right ROI on their industry products, right? So in this one, like we discussed many of the objects like how the AI can be implemented in the false prediction or predictive maintenance, optimization, your entire Salesforce management and the supply chain management, right? So AI is going to the future of the industry, and I recommend every industry to get the sense of the AI and try to implement in the industry, and you will definitely see the fruits of the AI going forward in the near future.